Here is a list of verb forms starting with letter A. Let's check them out and practice with correct pronunciations by heart to use them effectively in speaking English. Verb forms V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5 that indicate present simple, past participle, third person, present participle consecutively. Here we go, and let's start. Add, added, added, adds, adding, access, accessed, accessed, accesses, accessing, allot, allotted, allotted, allots, allotting, amuse, amused, amused, amuses, amusing, admire, admired, admired, admires, admiring, avoid, avoided, avoided, avoids, avoiding, ask, asked, asked, asks, asking, arrange, arranged, arranged, arranges, arranging, attract, attracted, attracted, attracts, attracting, answer, answered, answered, answers, answering, allow, allowed, allowed, allows, allowing, appear, appeared, appeared, appears, appearing, annoy, annoyed, annoyed, annoys, annoying, argue, argued, argued, argues, arguing, admit, admitted, admitted, admits, admitting, assist, assisted, assisted, assists, assisting, attend, attended, attended, attends, attending, analyze, analyzed, analyzed, analyzes, analyzing, attach, attached, attached, attaches, attaching. Please subscribe to the channel for more content. Leave your comments and suggestions below. And stay tuned for our next video.